Hello, I am going to show you my duct tape crafts. I have an empty roll here, an empty roll here, an empty roll here, and more empty rolls. These are my equipment, a ruler, scissors, and all those stuff. So I'm going to get all my duct tape stuff, and let's get started. Oh, sorry about the empty. So this is my box. It's full of them. So my first duct tape creation is this little pouch thingy out of an empty roll. I didn't have two empty rolls, so I only made it out of one. Mustache inside. Orange on the outside with the mustache border. Next, I made a water bottle cap pouch with a strap. With Velcro attached. This is a big Velcro. And with a little longish strap. Next, I made a little glass case. The glass doesn't really fit in here that good. See? Wait a minute. Somebody's knocking on the door, okay?
Hi, I'm coming to get 6 of the alphabet books.
Lakshmi?
Okay, so sorry about that. My glasses. Not fit in here and do not close that well.
I'll keep it to 6.
But those look good. Doesn't close. Doesn't close. Some Velcro is still showing. So it's just a pouch. As I say, I made this little wallet that is so bad. Thank you. Just keep it right here. Super bad.
Oh, look tonight,
And it has bifold, 3 pockets, and an ID that is breaking. So yeah, it's very bad. And a hidden pocket beside it. Right there. My ID's breaking. So this is a phone pouch case thing. It has some plastic you can open it in and a little stylus pouch. There. And this is my iPad case from Sophie Dashwood. And then I'm just doing something, so I'm just trying to make it a little fancy. And then I have this skinny pouch. I can put money in or anything. Then I have this little just bifolded wallet. It's just a little bifold. I should add a Velcro to it, but I didn't want to. This is just a duct tape fabric I made. It is orange and polka dot. I folded in half. I mean, mustache. Sorry, I folded in half. This is another one of those fold casey things. Sorry about that, but the Velcro is halfway down. Sorry if the camera's shaking. And there's your magnet. So yeah. And this is a little foam piggy. Flower pen. Trying to go fast on this, but flower pen. What's that pen? Little tulip. Then I made this pouch I made like yesterday. Splatter orange and leopard with 2 Velcros. I made a bow. And along that suddenly. And I made this little water bottle strap. And I made this little cute ring with a Velcro, so like you can adjust it if it's too small. It's a long hot summer. See? It's plain old orange. And inside plain orange. So yeah. Now I just have an empty duct tape roll. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 empty duct tape rolls. So look at this. 2. 2.